Good morning, friends. Today I am discuss about on the topic shadow price. Introduction. In underdeveloped country, for the purpose of evaluating a public project, usually market price provide incorrect single and hence they require effective correction because they do not corresponding to their intrinsic value. In order to overcome the problem, John Tinbergen, the chief exponent of these non-views, has asserted that corrected prices are better for evaluations of the social worth of project because their corresponding in intervention value of the goods and service in questions. By intervention price has meet the price that would equate the supply and the demand of goods and service of completed equilibrium existence. Janter Tinberg notion of the equilibrium per suppose the existence of perfect nations market without the assumptions price of goods and cannot be equal to their intrinsic value as the matter of fact shadow price prevails in a perfect competitions economy. Meaning and definitions of shadow price. The terms shadow price has been used in connections at different times and hence its meaning is not always the same. In simple word, shadow price are those which would bring about the equilibrium between the supply and demand for a factor of productions. Shadow price reflected intrinsic value for factors or production. Tinbergen defined shadow price for the first time 1954. Third point, methods of calculating shadow price. First one, general equilibrium method. Second one, partial equilibrium method. Fourth point, need and determinations of the shadow price. First one, imperfect market mechanism. Second one, wage rates. Third one, capital cost. Fourth, exchange rate. Fifth, inflationary pressures. Fifth point, merits of shadow price. First one, project evaluation, public policy, programming, optimum allocation and utilizations of resource. Limitations of shadow price, non-availability of the equity and reliability of structure data. Second one, non-equations by single authorized. Third one, existence of full equilibrium is arbitrary. Fourth one, limited applications in private sector. Fifth, hazard and the uses of shadow price. Last one, intermediate concept. Conclusion, it is underdeveloped country is most follow of the predominantal of developed country underdeveloped country to used to the public project or usually evaluate the public project at the time of is most available of resources to how to use it in the shadow price or market perfection into the all country or all nations are noted to the public project or shadow price. Thank you one and all.